So, hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in Your Pocket. We have a big release today that is WAN 2.2, which is an AI video generation model and it can run on consumer grade GPU as well. Yes, you heard it right. I have already covered about the model in the previous video. This time we would be testing out the model for free and generate a few samples. So, let's get started. So as you can see on my screen, I've already got the codes ready and generated 3 videos also that I would be showing you towards the end. So first of all, to run the model, you need to git clone this particular repo WAN 2.2 git and enter it. You need to pip install a few requirements. For example, I'm running this model on NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 as you can see. So this is the consumer grade GPU I'm using and I would be able to run video generation on it. After that, you need to pip install Hugging Face Hub CLI and then download WAN 2.0 text to video 5 billion model. I'm using a smaller model in my system. So I will be sharing the link to all the codes, so don't worry about it. This download will take some time because the model is huge. After that, you should run this particular command, else you might face a memory issue also. After that, it's quite easy. You just need to run the python.generate task is task to video. Size is 128,704. So it is able to generate a 720 pixel video on my NVIDIA RTX 4090. Offload model is true. And the prompt is to anthropomorphic cat in comfy box gearing and bright gloves fighting intensely. And as you can see in the logs, this took me some time, about 10 minutes, and I was able to run this video. This video is now saved as well. So if I show you here, this is one of the videos that I generated. Now I just ran the same code for another sample also, boy in Coca-Cola Sea swimming happily. And third prompt was dinosaurs playing football. This took me about 20 to 25 minutes on my NVIDIA GeForce RTX, but the results are pretty good. Let me show you the results now. Don't worry about the codes. The link is in the comment section below. So as you can see on my screen, these are 3 videos generated. So let's first of all see for the cat fight. The quality is just amazing, to be honest, as you can see. And pretty good, I would say. It's quite clear and looks quite happening to me. Now let's check out another video. This is the dinosaur sample. So this doesn't look like a dinosaur, but I think it's still okay. If you see the face of the lady, it's a little glitchy, but a ball is there, dinosaur playing football. I'll still take it up because it is running on a consumer grade GPU. And the last prompt was a boy swimming in Coca-Cola. It could not generate Coca-Cola, but I think he's swimming in a beach. So this is also okay. I think the face is a little disfigured if you notice, but still you can't complain because it is running on a consumer grade GPU. So this is how you can run WAN 2.2 for free on your consumer grade GPU. The codes are quite easy. I'll be sharing that. The results are decent, I would say. And if you miss out on the face, I think in the case of the dinosaur video also and here also, the face is a little disfigured, else everything is looking quite good. I hope you tried WAN 2.2 for video generation as well. Thank you so much.